Oh boy, this time Easy Meal is not the lead rapper, but y'all said this one is super nice. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my world. It's Classy's world. Another day, another music discovery. Y'all, today I'm going to react to Scru Face Jean, Easy Meal, Righteous, and Ratchet. Before we check it out, you already know what you gotta do. Grab some water, drink with me, and stay hydrated. Let's get it, y'all. Funny and interesting thing is, I checked Scru Face Jean channel, and it looks like he's a reactor. And this really makes me happy to see that he collabed with Easy Meal. So I'm excited for this one. Hey yo, Scru Face Jean, Easy Meal, take us away. Let's get it. Alright.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to the...
That's what we do. That's what we do, y'all. The only thing that's missing, setting up the equipment before starting. Like, it takes about an hour to do that.
Hello?
Hey, what up, cuz?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh,
Hey!
yeah. It's about that time.
Talk to him.
It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
I already feel the vibe's gonna be dope. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Let me sit. Let me sit comfortable. Okay, okay. Let me move my ass over here.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing.
I came from the sand as the holy land. No. I'm wrong. Y'all tell me, cause I don't know. Is he from Egypt? Jerusalem? Yo, I'm stupid. Egypt is the Holy Land, and Jerusalem is the Holy Land, right? So where's he from? Let me know. Stupid. Talking about me.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band, like Axel, my words are standing. We think it's the Corleone fan, like OnlyFans. Fucked off, then it's showing up, came in right.
They ain't gonna show you heart if you owing, man. For real, if you own them, they ain't gonna show you love. Bro, true that.
And like Axel, our rose is standing. We think it's the Corleone fam, like OnlyFans. You fucked off, then it's showing up, came in righteous in the broken land. None of that chat, we can be right to the rest. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people to start. We can be right to the rest. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginnings until I'm fucking I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of veins.
God damn it!
Better run the wrong way. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically amazing.
Hold on, let me ask y'all something. I know usually YouTubers should give you the information, but reactors most of the time ask y'all the informations. So is Scru Face like a rapper? Or he only a reactor? Cause motherfucker got bars. This guy right here got the flow. And yo, it seems like he's killing it so fucking perfectly. Like, bro, I wouldn't even think he a YouTuber, a reactor. I would think he a top artist. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is crazy.
Better run the wrong way. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically amazing. I'm killing y'all bitches, I'm blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck.
I'm in similar situation. I be killing pussies cause my lyrics are so dope, blah, 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 blah. Like, bro, yo, I'm the same. I'm just like you. I'm a fucking goat. I be killing these pussies. Come on, man.
I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically amazing. I'm killing y'all bitches, I'm blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from at, homie. Send me your addy, we put it on map. Send me the addy, we put it on map. Fuck up the block, we wanted you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking $10 on on the rigger, we gon' run the X and drive it in the sprinter with the SMS to sign the.
Yo, imagine you acting all tough and somebody tells you, yo, send me your Eddie, I will come and fuck you up right there. I will fuck up the whole block. Bruh, I wouldn't come near guys like that. Like, I would be afraid to get fucked up in my own block.
We deliver like a homie's rest in peace t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt.
They better fuck me up in another block. You know what I'm saying? Not in my own. Not in my own.
Rest in peace t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quick shit.
None of that chat, we can be ratchet and ratchet. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be ratchet and ratchet.
Hey,
Hey, we can be ratchet and ratchet.
hey.
Bottom of people are starving. We can be ratchet and ratchet. Hey,
Should've been stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen dripping on down to a pool of the soul. See, y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she paid for the pole.
so ready and go, and I said it before.
You think a girl is all good and stuff? Righteous. When she's actually at my crib, doing you know what? Bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she paid for the pole.
So ready and go, and I said it before. If they snakes like Medusa, let's set it in stone. I've done some things that the Reverend don't know.
Hold on, what you said? He said something about Medusa set in stone. I like that. Hold on, I just muted.
Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she paid for the pole.
So ready and go, and I said it before. If they snakes like Medusa, let's set it in stone. I've done some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some
Nice.
secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick it.
I've done some things that the Reverend don't know. Yo, I've done some really bad shit. I hope my pastor doesn't find out about that. Cause yo, I won't be attending church no more. Yo, come on, yo.
Stone, I've done some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick 'em with a semi, they pros. Like a mobster, eat a lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my pocket.
It's going that stone on her heads like a soccer. Deflating those booty shells that they blanca. We launching Boeings to set up to Hasa. So
I be stomping their heads like it's soccer. Yo, bro, this whole freaking song.
that stone on her heads like a soccer. Deflating those booty shells that they blanca. We launching Boeings to set up to Hasa. So get to home and they set up your store.
Quit all of that cheating, all of that chat. We can be righteous and ratchet. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be righteous and ratchet. Hey, hey, we can be righteous and ratchet. I came from the bottom of people are starving. We can be righteous and ratchet.
Hey, I see them both having nice moves, y'all. This is crazy. Hold on. He's gonna talk something? He's gonna say something? You gonna say something? You know what makes me happy? Seeing a reactor collab with someone who he reacted to. You know, I bet he already reacted to Easy Meal. That's how he knows his music. And it makes me so happy to see somebody, a reactor collab with other rappers. This is crazy. And Scru Face Jean's vocal range is so amazing. Like, I like his deep voice, and this whole song is such a hype. You know, I always love songs that makes me feel gangsta. You know, I'm not gangsta. I'm not saying I am gangsta, but this song makes me feel so fucking hard. Like I could punch somebody. You know what I'm saying? Really like this song, yo. This is crazy. I'm gonna edit in my playlist right away. Hope you guys like my reaction. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Leave some comments below. Subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, follow me on every social media. And I hope to see you guys next time. Y'all stay blessed. One world, one love. Love yours. Peace out.